Hey, everyone. Welcome back to Reviewer Winspections, the go-to destination for best glue for glass. If you're new here, I'm Nathan, and I'm thrilled to have you join our community. Today's video is going to be top 5 glue for glass. Something I'm passionate about, and I think you'll love it too. If you want more information and updated pricing on the products mentioned, be sure to check the links in the description box below. But before we dive in, don't forget to hit that subscribe button, and give this video a thumbs up if you enjoy it. It helps out the channel. Alright, let's get into today's content. Number 1. Gorilla 2-Part Epoxy. The Gorilla Glue brand is known for its incredibly strong and reliable adhesives, and this Gorilla Glue epoxy set definitely lives up to that reputation. The 3300 psi bond strength ensures that glass repairs will hold, as well as seals on other materials like steel, ceramic, and wood. The product is perfect for outdoor use thanks to its water-resistant qualities. Many Amazon reviewers raved about how easy and convenient the epoxy is to use. With its double-barrel packaging, the product is both more user-friendly and long-lasting. As one customer said, the great thing about this product is that the 2 plungers dispense exactly the right amount of the 2 parts, with no additional measuring needed. It does have a strong smell, however, so many buyers recommended working in a well-ventilated area when using this epoxy. Strong, permanent, fast, and gap-filling, great for multiple surface applications. Best for tough repairs requiring a durable bond, gap filling, and solvent resistance. Dries clear, ideal for clean, easy finishing. 5-minute set, plenty of repositioning time for the perfect fit. Number 2. Starbond 2 ounces super fast thin CA glue. As suggested by its name, the Starbond Instant Super Glue can fully cure almost instantly. According to one customer who wrote, it soaks in very quickly and cures quickly as well. However, what makes this product stand out from other superglues is that it's specially formulated to have 2 to 3 CPS viscosity, making it almost as thin as water. The more liquid form and the pack of micro-extension tips make this the top glue for filling in small holes and repairing thin cracks, as one user confirmed, perfect when you need it to soak into something or draw up into a hairline crack. The superglue works great on many different surfaces like wood and leather. Beyond its use on porous materials like wood, many reviewers also had impressive results when repairing glass. It dries clear, and one comment reads, used to bond pieces of glass face to face, water thin so it spreads evenly and completely. Number 3. Loctite Glass Glue. Repairing glass can be troublesome, especially when it comes to finding a glue that will bond glass together. A reviewer experienced this same frustration when trying to fix glass shelves, noting, I have tried 4 products to fix them, but nothing made glass stick to glass. The Loctite Glass Glue, according to many happy customers, is an absolute lifesaver when it comes to glass repair, as the same reviewer confirmed, finally this one has worked and the shelves have been in place for 2 weeks now. Thanks to this product's unique butyl formula, users can have a lasting bond on almost all types of glass. Since it is dishwasher safe and temperature resistant, no matter if it's on a crystal antique, a stained glass piece, or even a wine glass. Not only is this product perfect for broken glass repairs, but the glue can even bond glass to non-porous materials such as plastic or metal. Number 4. Weld Pro Size ClearWeld 5-minute set epoxy. When repairing completely transparent glass, the last thing anyone wants is a thick opaque line of adhesive down the fracture that looks even worse than the crack itself. That is why the Weld ClearWeld epoxy is one of the best adhesives for any glass repair that requires transparent glue. In only 1 hour, this glue dries clear, according to one customer who stated, it dries crystal clear, is strong, and I definitely will be buying more in the future. Beyond drying clear, this glue is also an extremely strong adhesive with a tensile strength of 3900 psi. One user found that the bonding was even stronger than the original material. Another customer, who used the adhesive when bonding glass to steel, stated that the glue was so strong that they tried to pry the 2 stuck items apart using a wedge after the glue had cured, but to no avail. Number 5. KISS Molecular Super Bond. For glass repairs on vases or drinking glasses, the KISS Molecular Super Bond is all that's needed to get the job done. Its water-resistant feature prevents water from leaking through the repaired area and ensures that the bonding lasts. A customer who used this glue on an inflatable boat wrote, the glue is perfect. It bonds totally secure and strong in seconds, and added, I took my boat out on the water the day after I patched it, and no leaks. Unlike some other glues, this super glue is both rigid and flexible, allowing it to maintain its bond even when put under stress. This is according to one customer who had tried other super glues in the past and found that the slightest flex would break the bond and fall apart. But their problem was solved by this product. They went on to comment that the glue remains flexible to provide the ultimate bond. Please like, comment, share, subscribe, and hit the bell notification. That brings us to the end of our review and buyer's guide. Hope to see you in the next video. Let us know in the comments what is your favorite one, and we hope you like this video. If you want to know the product price, do check out the description box. Thanks for watching.